This is the login page of the dispatcher where you have to enter your username and password and verification. Once you have logged in, this is a page that you will see where there are the columns of users, channel, conversation, record, submission, broadcasting, and fans. Under the user column, there's member administration and also grouping. Under member administration, you can add members into groups and also remove any members from any group. Under the member administration, you have an indicator on the left side to see which members are active. All the active members will have a green icon beside their name. You can also call, message, locate, or add monitoring and also edit any members. Now we are going to show you how you can make a call to any user from the dispatcher.
Hello, hello, hello.
You can also send a message from the dispatcher to the user's phone, which will be delivered immediately. Once you have add monitoring, you can locate the user, and once you have pressed the locate button, you will see the user's location in the Google Map. When you press on the group, you can manage your own grouping via the dispatcher. You can add and edit any users into any groups and also create new groups. You can also edit details of each and every user by changing their username, adding phone number or email address, and also change the login password for each user. Under the channel tab, you can create channels and it will also display all the channels that are already available. So now we are going to create a channel where you can add the channel name. Here we are going to put it as test. Speaking time limit is how many seconds each user is able to speak at a time. We are choosing 60 seconds. There will be no queue and a simple channel description like testing. After that, you can add any groups or any individual user into the channel that you have just created. The channel will be then displayed along with all the users that are in the channel. After you have created the channel, you can still add any member, remove members, and also delete the entire channel. Under the conversation tab are all the conversation histories that has been made in this dispatcher. You can also create a session and save it. Under the record tab, it will show you all the recordings that are available on this dispatcher. You can also have an option to download any recording into the computer. The submission tab is where the dispatcher can check for any photos or videos that has been sent by the user. They can choose to download, view, or delete the media. The media will show the date and time of when it was sent. The dispatcher can broadcast any message that will be sent immediately to all the users at the same time. Once the message is sent, it will be on the user's phone. Under the Notice tab. The last tab is the Fence tab. This is where you can restrict a location on the Google Map. Now we're going to show you how you can create a fence. Once you have drawn the fence, You can save it under any name that you desire. Once you have created the fence, you will see the highlighted area, and you can also add members to be within the boundary or outside the boundary. Once any members that are supposed to be within the boundary exit the boundary, the dispatcher will be notified, and once any members that are not supposed to be within the boundary enter the boundary, the dispatcher will also be notified.